So now we're going to talk about balancing on your elbow. This is called a stab, a freeze, kedajahin, depending on what world you're in, okay? So I'm coming to the floor. First thing I want to practice is bringing my elbow to my navel. That's most important. You want to turn your fingers away from your body, right there. You want your arm perpendicular to the floor. You want to find your navel, and you're going to work on just finding your balance. Start simple by lifting one leg, lifting the other leg, and then lifting both legs. I got that from a man, Zav. He said, find the elbow to the navel. Second version, I want to start working more on the side of my body. That's once you have that one. All right, don't skip that, you need that. Now, on the side of my body, I want to be here like this. And I'm working more on my obliques. Again, this hand is out in the diagonal, which I didn't say before, but it's on the diagonal to that hand. Now, lift one leg, try to find the balance with the other leg, and get it there. All right, so now you have those two positions, you kind of travel. Once you have those two positions, you can kind of change between them. So I'm here to here, right there. Now I'm getting to the side, but it's fighting it because my little muscle in the way, okay? More like Thanksgiving. The hardest one is to the back. So going to the back, I'm here, but my body is gonna go all the way over here. Okay, so this is a real funky position for the shoulder, and you need to really warm up and practice this position, okay? So I'm going almost to my back here, more like an air chair. All right, for those that know what an air chair is, all right? So I'm kinda there. Okay, so you're gonna work elbow either into the navel, to the side, or to the outside here. All right, and what I didn't mention is when you're finding these spots, it's really individual. All right, so this is self-exploration. You gotta figure out where your weight balance is. So even though I'm staying in the navel, you need to figure out what's your chest-hip ratio and find that balance point that's for you. So you gotta find your own spot for each one of these. So you gotta just play around with it. I have no one all fix. You have to play around with that. Once you've practiced those three positions, you can start to travel through space and time in those three positions. So I'm here, boom. I start on the navel, but now I'm gonna rotate, bring it through like that, and now I can rock to the back, right in there, all right? So I rarely use to the front. I don't go to my belly anymore. I'm usually to the side and moving. So if you see me do something like, I'm switching from one side to the other. I'll do it again. I'm switching. So very rarely do I use this anymore, but it's a good way to teach, to learn how to hold your balance. So again, you want to be able to hold your balance here. If you get real comfortable, you can start to lift your hand up, okay? So you wanna feel that comfort so that you're not scared when you start to move around in that position, okay? So that's the stab.